Namaste friends, I hope you all are well. Friends, are you suffering from overweight? Then watch this video till end. Today I am sharing some best food that helps to reduce weight. Before start, myself Deepika Sharma, the yoga consultant. The first one is add any citrus fruit in your breakfast like lemon, orange, strawberry, plum or pineapple. These citrus fruits are very helpful to reduce the weight. The second one is honey. Take 1 tablespoon of honey with hot milk in night time. The honey is very good to burn calories. The third one is cumin seeds. Take 1 tablespoon of cumin seed soaked in 1 glass of water and with whole night. Next morning drink that water and chew that soaked cumin seeds. It is extremely beneficial for reducing the weight. The fourth one is apple. Take 1 apple in a day. It is very good to reduce weight. So friends, apply or add all these food in your diet and get positive results. Namaste. Take care. Be connected.